Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Drones may seem like magic, but their ability to fly is actually a perfect demonstration of physics in action. At their core, drones rely on four key physics principles to stay airborne and maneuver. First is lift and thrust. As the rotors spin, the pushed air downwards, creating an equal and opposite upward force. It's like a Newton's third law of motion. The faster the rotors spins, the greater the lift generated. Second is torque and stability. Drones cleverly use pairs of rotors spinning in opposite directions to cancel out rotational forces that would otherwise send them spinning uncontrollably. The third principle involves the three axes of movement. Pitch means tilting forward and backward, roll, tilting side to side, and yaw, rotating left and right. By precisely adjusting the speed of different rotors, drones can tilt and move in any direction. Finally, gyroscopic effects help stabilize drones. The spinning rotors act like gyroscopes, resisting sudden movements and helping the drone maintain its orientation even in windy conditions. These physics principles enable some incredible real-world applications. Farmers use drones to monitor crops, take advantage of their precise kinematics to map fields efficiently. Search and rescue teams deploy drones with thermal cameras, utilizing their aerodynamics stability to search difficult terrain. Even entertainment has been transformed, with synchronized drone light shows demonstrating perfect algorithm control of hundreds of drones moving in unison. Don't forget the use in wars and spy activities. However, drones still face physics-based challenges. Battery life is limited by current energy density capabilities, while wind resistance presents fluid dynamics problems. Engineers are constantly working on solutions like advanced PID controllers that act as automatic stabilization systems, similar to how your body automatically balances when riding a bike. Looking to the future, understanding these physics principles could lead to even more amazing applications, for autonomous flying vehicles to exploration drones on other planets. The next time you see a drone, remember, it's not just a cool gadget, but a flying demonstration of Newton's law, Bernoulli's principles, and gyroscopic physics, all working together in perfect harmony. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.